website's ranking on search results starts suddenly go down for some reason, is there an established procedure to assess the problem and fix it? Yes. So great point. Okay. So in the internet-driven sales system, I'm just going to go back here for 1 second. Go to the very top here, and I'm just going to show you this. So, and I'm just going to go to this slide. So when you see a rank going down, you have to hit all of these cylinders properly. Okay. So with SEO, you're going to need these things. You're going to need one, this is like the branding part, right? So what I mean by that is we're going to look at the branding of the site and make sure your messages are on point. That's the first part. But you need a website that converts, that's of value, where there's information there. You need every page to be SEO'd properly. You need the hosting. You need to have the social media channels set up properly and branded properly and posting regularly on them. You need citation and maps. You need all of those properly set up. You need to be creating authority through your blog, which is a good tool for that is webinars. You need to be building authority through backlink building, which is a whole nother webinar. You need to have an effective web funnel that has different embedded parts on it that further enhances your authority. And also need to be getting people back to your site through marketing automation and email marketing. And you have to make sure you're getting referrals, and you have to make sure that you're getting reviews on all the major review sites. And then once those are all done, you explore paid advertising if you need it, and they also get to track, measure, and quantify it. So the reason I brought this up to answer this question here is this is the established procedure. You have to hit all of these cylinders. If I look at a company and they have, one review or no reviews, we know we have to get them a stable flow of reviews. And if you hit all of these things properly, you have no choice but to dominate. And if you do one and you miss one or two, you're going to see your rank go down, and there's no easy way to fix it without doing them all properly. And each one of these things took our team many years to learn. So each one of these was like a 2-3 year process to actually even understand how to do that. It even existed, A, and then B, how to do it properly in a white hat manner, meaning you're creating backlinks, you're making real backlinks, you're not going to a link farm and getting them that way.